Hello viewers, this is Suman from Hexasoft Development. Today I will show you how to make new folder and create rules in Gmail account. So after create Gmail rules, you can receive a specific email in your selected folder. So viewers, let's start it. Firstly, log in your Gmail account. So I have already logged in my Gmail account, and then you should find or select which email you want to create under rules or a specific location folder. So I want to create rules in YouTube. Select YouTube, and then you should select to above a more button and filter message like this. Okay, then after you will see the from email like no reply at youtube.com, and you can also set any email account. And then I will create a create folder button, and then I should select skip the inbox archive IT, and you should select if you want to make another folder to a specific in this email receive. So I will create a specific folder for receive YouTube all email from that folder. So select and create new label and name. You can use anyone. So I will use YouTube subscribe. Okay, YouTube subscribe. This is the name of a specific folder, and create button. Click, and then scroll down and select never send it to spam. So all the time of YouTube no reply at youtube.com email will be directly moved to your specific folder. That name is YouTube subscriber. Okay, and it will not be redirect to spam folder anymore. And then I have seen there is 41 already missing email ID from the under YouTube no reply at youtube.com email. So I will synchronize these all emails in that my YouTube subscribe folder. And also you can see the left corner already created and folder under the name of YouTube subscribe. So I will also select this checkbox and then create folder. Okay, then now all is done. You can check now. Select the left corner. You have already created that folder name. It was YouTube subscribe button, subscribe name, and I have seen, and all the YouTube no reply at the rate of youtube.com mail is stored here. Okay, so you can also delete the label or delete the rules. So if you want to remove or delete the rules folder, then or filter email, then you should go to the settings and go to settings, and then find the filter and blocks address, and here you also see the my to have created folder. So you just select them which one you want to delete from your label or from your filter. Just select, and you will get under the email the name of delete button, or you can also find edit or delete button from the right corner, and then just click delete. So it will be removed from your favorite list of a specific folder or filter email. So that's it. Please, if you want to more video from my channel, please like, share and comments. Never forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.